Welcome to the first video in our small Power BI course. Here in this video, in this first part, we will go step by step on how to get a trial of Power BI Pro with Office 365. And then I will show you what should you see and how to access Power BI. So first things first, we go to office.com to the general site and log in with our Office 365 tenant. Then if I click on admin, under admin I see some options. One of the options, it's called billing, and here I see an option called purchase services. In this video I'm showing just to get a trial of Power BI, and to get a trial, you just find a subscription which is called Power BI Exchange SharePoint Project Power BI Pro. And here I already have the trial registered, but you would see something like start your trial. Click on it and it will give you the trial. Then the first thing after you start the trial, you would go here to users, active users, select a user to which you want to assign this license. And under license, you click on the edit under product licenses and select like this, click save. And now our test user has a license assigned. When the user signs into the administration portal, or no, actually this user is not the admin, so he will go to office.com, sign into Office 365 portal. He would be able to see this Power BI here under apps. So if I click on explore all apps, there is an app called Power BI, and the user would be able to click on this app. So this is how we get a trial of Power BI, and this is the first step we would need to do in our course to get a feeling of how to use it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.